Hello traders and welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna go over how we can set those kinds of alerts using our free TradingView Alert indicator with the standard MACD. And as you can see, we can create highly accurate alerts only by using two free indicators on TradingView. So watch the video and I'm gonna show you how you can set tons of alerts using MACD and our TradingView Alerts indicator. Alright, let's get started. In this first example, I want to set an alert after these kinds of rapid and huge momentum moves, because after such move, we often get some sort of reversal or a pullback or some sort of market, some sort of pause. So those kinds of alerts are useful when looking for potential pullbacks and reversals. So how can we use our free TradingView Alerts indicator with the free MACD indicator to create those alerts? So first of all, I'm gonna reset the indicator so we can start off from the beginning. And we start by select the indicator input, and in this case I will use the MACD line, which is this blue line. I select that one, and after that I'm looking for the condition when the MACD is turning down. So I go ahead and select under condition turning down, and now we get tons of alerts on the chart because we get alerted every time MACD is turning down right now. So we have to filter this even more. So I go ahead and go to our source momentum, and I want to be alerted after a positive momentum move. So I go ahead and select positive momentum, and let's say we want a rapid and quite long momentum move. So I set it to at least 10 bars. There we go. Now we can see that we get many great alerts on the chart, and we can filter this even more to only get those the most significant in this case, and we can do that by selecting the selected trend. In this case I want to have the, let's say, VMA. That price has to be above the VMA. In this case we can see that alerts are triggered when price is below. Then we have to click on this one, shift moving average trend, and there we go. Now we have created those alerts, those potential reversal alerts, and those alerts can also be used as take profit. Let's say that you may have went long in this area, and then you can use this alert as potential take profit alerts to close your position and start looking for a reversal. So pretty awesome alerts can be created only by using our the free inbuilt MACD with our free TradingView Alerts tool. And so let's have a look on more examples. Alright guys, let's have a look on how we can create those nice pullbacks alert within this positive trend. And so we go ahead and reset the indicator so we can start over. There we go. So what are we looking for? If we study this pullback, we can see that the MACD line has to have some sort of negative momentum before it crosses down the value 0. So that is what we have to create. So we go ahead and select under indicator input our MACD line, which is this blue line, and we are looking for a crossing down a certain value, and we set the value to 0. So now we get alerted every time the MACD line crosses down the value 0. However, as I said, we need some sort of negative momentum before this happens, so we can get those nice pullbacks. So we go ahead and under source momentum, we select negative momentum, and let's see how many bars we need. Let's say we take 5 for instance, and we can see that many alerts were filtered out and we have some left, and we want to only get alerted in a positive trend. So we go ahead and select our trend, SMA 200 periods. And now we can see that we get alerted when price is below the average. So we have to click on this box, shift moving average trend. And there we go. That is how you create those nice pullbacks alerts within this positive trend. Alright guys, let's have a look on how we can create those alerts. So what I am looking for in this case is that the MACD line should cross over the value 0 after a period of positive momentum. And that is how we can catch those nice momentum moves, right? So let's have a look on how we can set those alerts. We go ahead and reset the indicator, and under indicator input we select the MACD line, the blue line, and we are looking for a crossing up alert. So we select crossing up a certain value and we set the value to 0. And now we get alerted every time the MACD is crossing up the value 0. And we only want to be alerted when this happens after a period of great momentum. So we go down to our source momentum filter and select positive, and we set this to 4, let's say, and that works great in this case. So now we only get alerted when MACD is crossing up the value 0 after 4 bars of positive momentum. And we can select a moving average, for instance, just to filter out some trades. So we only want to be alerted if the price is above this moving average. So that is how you can set those nice alerts, by only using our free TradingView Alerts tool and the free MACD. Pretty awesome, right? Let's have a look on how we can use the MACD histogram and set those nice alerts. So let's reset the indicator and we go ahead and select our MACD histogram in this case, and I'm looking for a turning down alert after a certain period of positive momentum. So we go down to condition and select turning down, and now we get alerted every time the histogram is turning down, right? And you get a lot of alerts, so we have to filter this even more. And one important thing is to select that the histogram has to be bigger or equal than 0 in this case. So we only get alerted when the green histogram is turning down, right? So that is why we have to select the source has to be bigger or equal to the value we set. So in this case, the histogram has to be above the value 0. So now we get alerted every time the green histogram is turning down. However, we only want to be alerted after a great period of a momentum move. So we go to our source momentum and select positive momentum, and let's see, we can easily set it to 10. There we go. Now we have those alerts left, and we can filter it even more by selecting a moving average. So now we want to be alerted if price is below this moving average. And that is how you can set those nice alerts based on the MACD histogram. So basically, the alert is triggered when the green histogram is turning down after a period of great momentum. So that is how we can create those nice alerts. I hope you have learned a lot about how you can set alerts with our free TradingView Alerts indicator with the free MACD. To access this amazing free indicator, make sure to go to our TradingView profile. I leave the links in the comments below, and make sure to boost the script and add it to your favorites. That is how you access this amazing free script on TradingView. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.